In this session, we are going to discuss about rational numbers. Exercise 1.3. For this, the question is, express each of the following decimal in P by Q form. We have to convert into these decimals in P by Q form. First, first problem is 0.57. This 0.57, we have to find out how many number of decimals in that given number. Okay, how many decimals are there? There are 2 decimals. In first step, okay, there are 2 decimals. That is 5 and 7. There are 2 decimals. In second step, take 1 annexed with as many zeros. Means take 1 and how many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places, and we have to take 2 zeros. That is the second step. And third step is we have to multiply and divide the given decimal with this number. We have to multiply and divide the given decimal. The given decimal means the question is 0.57. We have to multiply and given decimal with the decimals with the decimal which is arrived in the number which is arrived in the step 2. Step 2, the number is 100. Means we have to multiply and divide this decimal with 100. Means 0.57 into 100 divided by 100. Means 57 divided by 100. So this is the expression arrived in step 3. And step 4 means we have to reduce the above rational number to simple form. We have to reduce the number obtained in third step, means the rational number to simple form. Means 57 divided by 100. This 57 cannot be divided. Cannot be divided by any number. That's why this is the answer for this question. Let us see another example. 0.176. In this, the first step, we have to find out how many decimal places are there. For 3 decimal places in that question there are 3 decimal places. And second step means how many decimal? 1 is annexed with as many zeros. Means here we are taking 3 zeros. Means 1000. Third step, multiply and divide the given number with that of number obtained in second step. That is means 0.176 into multiplied by 1000 divided by 1000. We have to obtain like this, 176 divided by 1000. In fourth step, reduce that rational number to simple form. We get the rational number, we have to reduce into the simple form. Means 176 divided by 1000. This can be divided by 4. Means 4 times 1, 16, 44 divided by, we obtain answer like 44 divided by 250. And this obtained number can be further, we have to reduce into simple form, divided by 2. We can get into table 44 22 times and 250 divided by 2, we can get answer 125. Okay, this is the answer. The next example, third example is 1.00001. Means First, we have to find out the how many number of decimals are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First step, 5 decimals. And next, we have to put 1 annexed by number of zeros, means 1, 5 zeros. And next, multiply and divide by this number 1.001 into in simple form we can write like this 1 0 0 0 1 divided by 1 lakh. Okay, this cannot be reduced to further simple form, that is the answer. And the next example is 25.125. First step, we have to find out the decimals. How many decimals? 3 decimals. And 1 annexed with number of zeros. 1 followed by how many zeros? 3 zeros. And we have to multiply and divide by 1000. 125.125 into 1000 divided by 1000, and then we can get 125,125 divided by 1000, and we have to convert it into the further simple form, this rational number into simple form. For this, we have to divide by this number divided by 5. We can get 5025 divided by 200, and further we have to divide by 25. In 25 we can get answer 2550 2 times, 20 25 1 time, 201 divided by in 25 200 8 times. The answer is 201 divided by 8.